Lo 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 lo. Lo lo lo. Wow. Hi girl. Did you miss me? Yeah, it's me. Ivan, your girl. Yeah, your sister. Oh, happy birthday to you. I hope you like this presentation of mine to your special day. Yeah. Enjoy your day, girl, my sissy. La la la. La la la. Happy birthday.
From Blue Family, happiest birthday, Kapjo. Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health. God bless.
Morning, Dope Joe. Happy birthday. For today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Chong, happy birthday! Salamat sa laging pagpikikikute kahit binubuli mo ako. Yeah, maraming thank you. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi, Joe, my friend. Wishing you a birthday filled with God's abundant grace. May His love and blessings overflow into your life. Not just today, but always. Thank you so much for the friendship. Tandaan mo, nandito lang kami mga kaibigan mo, palaging nakasupport sa'yo. I may not be in your life every time, but I see to it na nakakapag-support pa rin ako when it comes to your speaking. Once again, happy birthday. We love you.
Hello, Jo. Happy birthday. Una, gusto ko mag-thank you sa'yo kasi binuo mo yung PPP and thankful ako kasi kasama ako doon. At dahil doon, nagdagdagan yung mga friends ko. Kahit naman hindi ko na sila mga kilalang personal, pero pag magkakausap kami sa chat, ang saya namin. Kahit hindi ka nakikisama, di ba? Kahit nagsisinsin ka lang. Pero okay lang yun kasi alam namin busy ka. At gusto ko lang malaman mo na andito lang kami para sa'yo. Offline man, online man, magkakaibigan tayo. Pangalawa, salamat din kasi isa kami sa nagiging inspirasyon mo para mag-live ka ulit. Kasi diba, sabi mo nawawalan ka minsan ng gana mag-live. Pero pag nakikita mo kami, nag-aabang kami sa'yo, nagkakaroon ka ng panibagong inspirasyon. So, thank you. At sana, ituloy mo lang yun. Kasi hindi mo lang alam, marami ka rin napapasayang mga tao, diba? Kahit alam namin may problema kang personal, pero sinisikap mong maging masaya ang audience mo. So, very good ka dun. At sana, maging masaya ang birthday mo, mag-iingat ka palagi, at maging matatag ka kasi marami tayong pagdadaan ng pagsubok sa buhay. Unang-una, maging malapit ka kay God. Bawat problema mo, bawat sandali ng buhay mo, magpasalamat ka sa Kanya. Ups and down man ng buhay mo, be thankful kay God, diba? Kasi sa Kanya nanggagaling lahat. Yung pangalawa, yung family mo, alam kong doon ka humuhugot ng lakas kahit marami kang problemang pinagdadaanan, diba? Ang haba na ito, baka maiyak ka na. Anyway, thank you so much for the friendships, diba? Sa pagbibigay mo ng saya. Pag nanonood kami ng live mo, saya kami, makulit, diba? May kantahan, may kulitan, minsan may drama. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Basta, nag-enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Sorry, joke lang. At mag-iingat ka palagi. Happy birthday and sending you my best wishes on your birthday. And many happy returns. Bye.
Happy birthday, Joe. My wish for you, always happy and healthy. desires that God given you. Talent. You mesmerized me and amazed me here in Star Maker. Your talents, super. And thank you so much for selecting me, including me, one of your blue baby in your family. And you know, it's a big change of my life from sadness to happiness. I love it. More power on your endeavors and all you have to do here in Star Maker. And happy birthday again, Joe. Capture na ng Star Maker.
Hello, Jo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jo. Wishing you a beautiful day with good health and happiness forever. Andito lang ang Mythical Boys family and also your pa-baby girls. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Hi, Jo. Good morning. Happy birthday. Dahil birthday mo ngayon, kakantaan kita ng Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Dahil birthday mo, meron ka sa akin ngayon ng 3 palaya. Okay? Meron pa. 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. May balon kasi 15 ka na. Yay! Meron pa. Wait lang. Ito. Yema cake. Okay, sarap. Pero akong kakain dito kasi andyan ka. Okay, ang wish ko sa'yo, maraming good health, forever good health, para magawa mo pang gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. At mas piliin mo na ang maging masaya. Diba? Sabi mo, lagi na lang masaya. Love yourself and thank you, Lord. 51 ka na. Yay! Mabuhay! Happiest birthday, MBTC.